Hello viewers, today we will discuss Neoclassical School of Criminology. We will discuss background of this theory, founder of this theory, major points of this theory. Before we start this video, kindly like this video and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos related to criminology. So let's start the video. Neoclassical School of Criminology. Background of this theory. Few points of classical theory were challenged by other theorists. That's why classical school modified as Neoclassical School of Criminology. This theory is updated version of Classical School of Criminology. This theory was updated by Cessare Beccaria and Bentham. This theory remains same points of classical school except few more which are described. This theory defined as everyone has not free will. The main point is that everyone has not free will. There is flaw in this theory. If you don't know the concept of free will, so you can check my channel where I made detailed video on classical school of criminology. Whether free will means rational. Rational means the person who can differentiate between right or wrong. So everyone has free will except those who are insane, abnormal, mentally ill or underage. These people don't have free will because they cannot differentiate between right or wrong. That's why also in this theory punishment divided into two parts. First is for responsible offenders, second is for irresponsible offenders. In responsible offenders, we all may include except those who are irresponsible. An irresponsible offender, those who are insane, abnormal, mentally ill or underage. In this theory, we find that punishment should be given according to intention of crime.